Hey, Mayor. Hi. Foreman. Hey, buddy. Maria. Hi. We go through Dulles Airport. Maria, are we waiting in the security line now? Mayor. Just checking in with you on the security line.
Daddy, is that where they do security?
Yeah, it's right up here. We're getting ready to move again. Foreman, did you make it through security? There's security over there. Mayor. Mayor, how'd you do? How'd you do through security? Maria. Maria. We're at D4, guys. D4. Mayor, see San Diego over here? That was Paris. See, Maria, try to find San Diego. Yeah, but you can look on here and find out too. Good job, Maria. It's flight 240. Is this a people mover, guys? What can you see out there? Rainy day. Yep, that one. Do you think it'll be a race, Foreman?
Oh yeah. Hold on tight. It's just like a metro.
We are walking toward gate D4. Yep. I did. It's D6. We must be getting close, guys. Blue. Little baby Bluey. Green. Yellow.
Come here. On the airplane, I am excited. Get on the plane.
It says boarding begins in 3 minutes. Coleman, show me what you. Show me what you did there in your book. I am bored. Show me the other one though, where you said about the airplane. That's a good airplane you drew. That's a good airplane you drew. Do you think that's our plane right there, buddy?
That's a little. See?
Yeah, that's a different gate. Well, if they're going to board us, the plane better be there already. Hey, the girls over here. Come here. Hi. We're going to board soon, guys. Hi, girls. Go ahead. Are you in here?
Yeah.
To San Diego. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again for your patience and understanding during our weather delay in Washington, Dulles.
Hey, Foreman. Welcome to San Diego. Not yet. Not till we step at the gate. 2:20 in the morning. Hey, Mayor.
We were flying the whole night.
Yeah, we were.
What?
You excited? Hey, girls. Come here. It's 2:20 in the morning. Rhea, you still have Foreman's money? Welcome to California.
Oh, Jesuit.
Thanks a lot. Take care. Rhea, good job, sweetie. Rhea, look back. Hi. There it is. It's 2:30 in the morning. This is crazy, guys. 4 hour delay. Ray, are you sure there's an airplane behind us? Want me to pull that for you? Tell the camera. Want me to pull your thing for you? Here we are. You're doing great, sweetie. For the middle of the night, huh? It's even late here. Tell me that thing about the escalator again.
When the escalator's going down and you're trying to go up, you would stand on the top of the You need to go back?
For me to go potty?
No.
No.
You can take it out.
Hold your paper for you, Ray?
Yes.
Do you see our bags yet?
Yolanda, meet Helga at Terminal 1, baggage claim.
None of these are.
How many did we check? Do you remember?
2.
Yeah. They were both green. One big green bag and one big green luggage. We're outside now. Trying to find the rental car. Foreman, you lost a shoe. Welcome to California, Foreman. What do you want me to do? Foreman found a palm tree. Time you stayed up all night. And what time was it? Like 2 in the morning? What's past that time now? It's almost 3 in the morning. In Virginia? I know, but still. What? That's national. We need to. What car rental were you getting, Foreman? What's it named? Animal.
Don't say it.
Foreman, it's okay. Alamo. Where are we now, Mayor? Shuttle bus? Alamo shuttle bus? Huh?
Is it a shuttle bus?
Yeah.
Taking us to the rental place, then we'll get in our minivan, then we'll drive to the hotel.
Traveling is a lot of like little steps. I know, be careful. That's always weird, isn't it? Like school buses and buses, no seatbelts.
The hardest step is waiting.
Yeah. You're doing great though, Maria. You're an excellent traveler. This is what Maria looks like at almost 3 in the morning. She's cute. This is Meredith. Meredith, you look great for 3 in the morning. Is that true? Can you do one of them now? Foreman put his hands up like a roller coaster on takeoff and landing.
Yeah, I put mine up and everything. I put snowballs up.
Lower your voice for me.
Really?
I need to put ocean.
Yeah.
Oh shit. When I put snowballs hands up. I just want to get some sleep and then go to the beach tomorrow.
Okay.
Oh, look at my bunny. God.
Oh, he's upside down.
He's putting his hands up. I'm careful.
Lovely elevator operator. This is our first morning after the plane ride. The double-length plane ride.
Because it's wood.
I will ever call that the double-length plane ride.
That's so cute.
You want an elevator or a closet? I think we're in a broom closet.
I want an elevator.
Okay, where are we going? Ready for breakfast?